how to visualise and negotiate the Thinford Roundabout from two directions. This tutorial will help you understand better this favourite junction on the Durham test routes. Approaching the Thinford Junction, we're going to take the third exit towards Bishop Auckland, the A688. Check your centre and right mirror and then indicate right as we approach the junction, staying over in the right hand lane. Clearly mark the A688. Staying in the right hand lane, we're going to turn right at the roundabout, and as we turn right we're going to spiral into the left hand lane, indicating left. When the lights change, we'll turn left and make progress down the A688 in the direction of Spennymoor and Bishop Auckland. This time we're approaching the Thinford Roundabout from the west. Approaching the first roundabout, you see the roundabout sign is just past the 12 o'clock, so it's classed as a right hand turn. Check your mirrors and indicate right. Look to the right. If it's safe to make progress on the roundabout, look left, indicate left, and continue to make progress up the hill towards the Thinford Junction. On approach, we're going to take the second exit towards Durham, the A167. Not the first exit which goes to Durham Gate. The next signpost clearly shows that the left hand lane is the lane for the A167 towards Durham. So stay in the left. Do not go in the right two lanes. Don't indicate left here because we're not going to Durham Gate. Instead, look left, indicate left here, and make progress from the junction on the A167 towards Durham.